So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com, and then right hand side you can see here search button, just click it and then enter your model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. Now you can see this is your motherboard. Now click on the product and title of the motherboard, click on that. Then click support. This is your motherboard B450M DS3H V3. Then select your operating system Windows 10, 11. So if you are using any Windows 10, 11, 7, this is also 7 also supporting. So all the installation process same. Select which is you required. Chipset driver. So see AMD chipset, AMD chipset driver, proper chipset, this one, okay, and click to download. When you click downloading, it will start download. Take some time to download. And open and double click to exe. Click on yes. And then click on yes, okay. Then it is done and close.